Hi! Hi everyone! Good afternoon everyone! Hello! Ganda ng kanilang confetti Christmas na Christmas dito sa Barangay Santa Lucia. Very nice ang decoration. Very colorful guys. Here in Parada Street, Barangay Santa Lucia, San Juan City. Dito dumadaan guys yung mga jeep na biyaheng Calentong, Little Baguio, vice versa. Balik-balik lang yan guys, from Barangay Little Baguio to Calentong. Yan. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye.